In this video, an RF transceiver kit for Arduino is presented. A DHT22 sensor at the Arduino transmitter side is used to give temperature and humidity readings, which are then transmitted and acquired by the Arduino receiver. The received data is then displayed on LCD. The transmitter-receiver modules are shown here. This is the transmitter and this is the receiver. The transmitter transmits a modulated signal using amplitude shift keying at a frequency of 433 MHz and a transmission power of 10 milliwatts. The system used in this video is shown here. We have the transmitter Arduino and we have the receiver Arduino. On the transmitter side, we have the transmitter module, which has 3 pins: data, VCC and ground. The data pin is connected to D12 of the Arduino. We also have at the transmitter side a DHT22 sensor, which is interfaced with the Arduino through an input digital pin. On the receiver side, we have the RF receiver. Signal output is connected to digital pin 11 of the Arduino. We also have an LCD display connected to the Arduino, which displays the received data from the DH22 sensor, namely the temperature and the humidity. And now let's see the transmitter transmitting the sensor measurements and the receiver displaying these measurements on the LCD. The C++ code for both the transmitter program and the receiver program is shown here. The code was taken from an article by DroneBot Workshop. A link to the article will be provided in the description. I highly recommend the YouTube channel by DroneBot Workshop, where exciting electronic projects are presented. In a future video, the RF transceiver will be used in home security application, such as a burglar alarm system. Thank you for watching.